Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about log into ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on Google and here you will write ChatGPT. I have already a suggestion which is ChatGPT. I'm going to click on it. Once you're done with it, then you have to click on the official website of OpenAI ChatGPT. So click on it and here you will see the home page of this website. So just look at the right top corner on the screen and here you will see the login button. Just simply click on it. So when you click on the login button, you will see this type of window on the screen and here you have to write your email address. If I go with my email address, then I will write my email address over here and then I will continue. When you're done with your email address, then you have to write your password over here and after that you will continue with continue button. But the second way is, which is very easiest way to log in ChatGPT. So this is continue with Google. So if I go with the continue with Google button, then I don't need to write my password again and again. I simply click on the continue with Google button and I will log into my ChatGPT account. As you can see guys, this is the dashboard of ChatGPT and this is how to log in ChatGPT account. So you can log in your account by follow these simple steps and hope you like this video. See you in the next one.